Kicked out of Walmart. What's up, everybody? This is a DiverCity vlog right now. We are at Walmart. What's your favorite cereal?
Cocoa Pebbles.
John, what's your favorite cereal, bro?
I mean, let's see. We got a little bit of, we got a little bit of everything, but this one is calling my name right now. I don't know.
Drumstick? Ooh. Have you ever tried this though? This is a secret pollo recipe right here.
Oh, pollo recipe.
You get the cornflakes, the classic cornflakes, wherever it's at. I don't know where it is. But any of these cornflakes,
I know what you're talking about.
It's literally
These?
right there.
These?
Yeah, those.
These, yeah.
See the pollo right there? You get the cornflakes, and then, hold on, let me finish.
No. This is what's up, bro. Pop-Tarts, dude.
I came here for leche, so our hunt for leche begins.
Why is Steven looking at the...
Why is he looking at diapers? Why is he looking at diapers? Why is he looking at diapers? You saw it here now, folks. Why is he looking for diapers?
I have to buy one.
Why is he looking for diapers? Oh my gosh. Scandalous situation.
You have a child?
Steve has a
It's
child.
my brother.
Not clickbait.
No,
Not
it's my brother.
clickbait.
It's my
Steve
brother.
has a child.
It's my brother.
Steve has a
It's
child.
for my brother.
You heard it here now, folks. Everybody here at Walmart. Steve has a child.
Do you like Tostitos? Tostito scoops?
Scoops.
Yo, that's a joke.
Now do it to John.
Yeah, I like Tostitos.
Huh? Alright, you guys will watch what happens to him later. Shake it out like a man. I'll forgive you. Just shake it out. But stop being scared, dude. Come here. Just like a man. Come on.
Like a man.
Bring it in, bro.
I can't bring it in. I
Bring it
have
in.
these things.
Bring it in. Bring it in.
Just Walmart things. Thank you, John, for providing great content for DiverCity. You know what? I heard this thing. I saw this thing on TikTok that if you can just go to the back in the departments and they won't even know because there's so many departments at Walmart. So I'm about to try it out right now. Kicked out of Walmart. Let's see. Eyes locked in. Oh my gosh. I'm in right now. See, there's so many departments here. They don't even know it's me. This is not the bathroom. So yeah, there you go. Kicked out of Walmart. Kicked out of Walmart.
Bro! This is where they have the fair life.
Oh my god! I'm putting this leche down because it's cold, but we got leche. I think I explained this like 30 times already, but I got leche for my cat, my new cat. That so if you didn't know, we went to a men's retreat, and there was a kitten there that showed up while we were all in prayer and praising the Lord, and then it just showed up. It just showed up while we were all praying, and I think that was a gift from God. Like, it was a sign. It was a sign. So I got this cat. Nobody wanted to take it, so I decided to take it because, you know, I felt connected to it. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take this cat. So I took the cat, and it's chilling at my house. My family was like, why are you bringing a cat? And then once they saw it, they all fell in love with it. Even my dog, Coco.
We're gonna go ahead and show you videos of the kitten.
So this is Pepper.
Like if you think the kitty's cute. Instant like.
Comment if we should grill it, bake it, microwave it.
So,
we can shish kebab it.
Pretty sure this vlog is gonna turn out horribly, but you know what? We're all having fun here together, and that's the good thing about brotherhood, brothership. We're all brothers here, and we all have a good time.
Yeah. Tell 'em.
Amen, amen.
Steven, not so much, but everyone else, yeah, bro.
Steven is the one that gets bullied in the group, but
Yeah, it's okay.
it's okay.
Yeah.
He gets bullied for the Lord.
Yo, hold on, let me see them real quick. Yo, I know you guys miss Rodrigo so much.
I know you guys.
He's so busy with a lot of stuff, a lot of projects.
So I just got kicked out of Walmart because
They didn't even say why. Like, so we got to buy our stuff, but when this guy went to go pay,
they were like, no. They were like, no. He's like, no. And I'm like, what? So I put everything back, and then
no explanation. Dude.
no explanation. They just rejected me from buying anything at Walmart because they don't accept Apple Pay or putting the card in manually. And I forgot my card, so.
Liar, plant.
Home sweet home. I feel very sad that Walmart let me down like this.
Yeah.
Walmart was a very special spot for me. I would go there every Friday nights with homie Pablo, Joannis, and Rivers.
Wow.
I thought we
Was
were
that-
family.
That's the final goodbye. You're never going to Walmart ever
I'm never
again.
going to Walmart again.
Not clickbait.
Not clickbait.
Damn.
7-Eleven, they always treat me right.
Of course. Amen.
John, I heard you have a crush.
Boy, get out.
This is why I love 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven always has deals. 49-cent pickle. Well, guess what? I actually paid with my freaking Apple Pay, so mission accomplished. So here's the kitty cat. It's eating right now. And these things are normally $200, but our neighbor gave it to us for free. So we got lucky. And then we bought the litter box. We got it food. We got it basically everything, and it really loves this toy. So when she's done eating, I'll show you the toy. Her name is Pepper. She's now a proud family of the Mom Dragon. My dog Coco, he wasn't very happy at first, but now he is. But all pets require lots of attention, so I love all my pets equally. And Coco has been there since day one.
Pepper is so cute. She's straight up a gift from God. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you next week, and God bless you.